The other day I slammed the door, that fell off, and well, it's got the, what I call it, the worm. You get all that like corrosion get into it. So I thought rather than just glue it back on, I'll get a new one. So I go on eBay, and they're on there for like, well, first of all I had a look just on the net and it was like 35 quid. And I thought, I'm not paying 35 quid, so I go on eBay and there was one there, I think it was like £6 delivered from China, and I thought, well, it's not going to be as good as this, but at least it ain't going to be 30 odd quid, where it's just turned up. And actually I'm quite surprised. It's a slightly different colour, but where this is just like, I don't know, I think it's just aluminium with this polished aluminium with like the blue on top. This one's like, let's get it in the sun. Try to anyway. This one's like a resin sort of thing. It's actually not bad. I prefer it to that one, to be honest. It's a slightly different blue, but I can live with that. It looks a bit more classy. But what I've got to do now is see whether these match up with the holes that's in the back of the door. So I'll make another video showing how it goes getting this thing off. I think I'm going to have to apply some heat. Yeah, so there you go. I'll put a link for this thing as well, so if yours has fallen off and you want a cheap one, look in the link, there's a cheap one there.